Welcome to MixMeister. This 3-minute introduction will show you how to get started creating your own mixes. The MixMeister screen is divided into 3 main sections. First, this is the library, where you can store and organize all of your songs. You can add songs to the library by clicking on this button. You can also sort your songs by title, artist, or other criteria, just by clicking on the column headings here. If you're having trouble locating a particular song, you can find it by typing a word or two into the search box above the library. Over here is the playlist, where you'll see a list of songs in the current mix. You can add songs to the playlist by dragging them in from the library, like this. If you want to change the order of the songs, just drag them and drop them where you want. At the bottom of the screen is the timeline, which shows a roadmap of your mix. Notice how the timeline shows the same songs as the playlist, but with much more detail. Each line on the timeline shows you a visual representation of how the song sounds. Let's zoom in a little. The songs are linked or mixed together where they overlap on the timeline. By default, the songs are linked together in a beat mix transition. Let's take a quick look at the list of predefined transitions you can choose from. When you choose a beat mix transition, MixMeister will automatically adjust the speed of each song to make sure that the beats of both songs are perfectly in sync while they overlap. Now let's listen to this transition. Notice how smoothly the beats from the first song blend into the second one. You can adjust the timing of this transition by moving the intro anchor and the outro anchor, which are these 2 orange bars. To make the outro of the first song start earlier or later, you can drag the top orange bar, like this. To make the intro of the next song start earlier or later, you can drag the bottom orange bar, like this. Let's hear how it sounds now, with a shorter transition that connects a different portion of the songs. And notice how the songs will be silent during these portions, where these blue volume lines are at 0. That's it! You're now ready to create a mix with your own songs. Of course, MixMeister can do a million more things than this. You can learn more by watching the other tutorials, and you'll find detailed information on all of MixMeister's functions in the help file.